To fix the error code 102 on an LG TV, it's essential to understand what this error code means. Essentially, error code 102 indicates that the LG Smart TV is having trouble connecting to the internet. This issue can be caused by the TV not being connected to the network or having outdated firmware. To resolve this problem, several solutions can be tried. First, restoring the TV and router can be an effective solution. This involves unplugging both devices from the outlet, waiting for 2 to 3 minutes, and then plugging them back in. After doing so, it's a good idea to open an app to see if the error has been resolved. If the issue persists, checking the network settings is the next step. The TV must be connected to the network to function properly. And if it's not, it will produce the error code 102. To check the network settings, press the Settings button on the remote, select General, and then choose Network. From there, select Wi-Fi connection and choose the home network from the available options. It's crucial to enter the password correctly to resolve the issue. Another potential solution is to update the TV's firmware. This can be done by clicking the Settings button on the remote, selecting all settings, and then choosing the support option. From there, tap Software Update and select Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Once the process is complete, switch the TV off for 10 to 20 seconds and then back on to finish installing the update. By trying these solutions, the error code 102 on an LG TV should be resolved.